So yes, happy morning to you all and welcome to
Happy
day
morning.
18 of our
Happy
magic
morning.
book journey.
Happy
Today
morning.
is a beautiful day, day 18. And
Vandana,
today,
I have
yes,
one sharing.
yeah,
I have one sharing.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah,
I have a sharing.
yeah.
Yesterday, I had not attended the class in the morning, but then when I listened to the recording later on, I could connect with the story what you had said about that 1,000 rupees in your gold card, which was available in
Huh?
Shoppers Stop card. So
Yeah.
the same happened with me during November, December. While cleaning the cupboard, I got this card of H&M, which was a gift voucher. I don't know where it came from, who gave it to me. So I just happened to go to Inorbit Mall to just check from there whether it has some amount or whatever it is. So she said me there's 1,500 rupees in it. So you can shop whatever you want to, and it's valid for more 2 days, last 2 days. And I really got things what Samarth wanted him to get. So that day it was like free shopping from H&M. I could really relate to that thing.
Wow, wow. Awesome. Lovely.
वन्ना जी आज
Thank
सुबह
you, Shweta, for sharing. Yes, yes.
Thank you.
वन्ना जी आज सुबह मैंने शेयर किया। एक्चुअली मैंने कल शाम को ही शेयर किया था, पर समहाउ वो पोस्ट नहीं हो पाया प्रॉपर। तो आज सुबह मैंने फिर से किया कि कल शाम को जब मैं मैजिक रॉक हाथ में लेके बैठी थी ना, तभी एक मतलब जस्ट शुरुआत ही करने वाली थी, तभी मेरे मोबाइल पे एक मैसेज पॉपअप हुआ कि आज हमारे अहमदाबाद की जो सबसे बड़ी हॉस्पिटल है वो 1200 बेड की है कोविड पेशेंट के लिए। उसमें ऑलवेज 70-80 एम्बुलेंस का वेटिंग रहता था, पर कल शाम से उसमें 0 वेटिंग हो गया। सो आई थिंक सो जो हम लोग मास प्रेयर कर रहे हैं उसका ही ये फल है।
Yes, awesome,
तो
awesome.
कल के दिन के लिए मेरा सबसे अच्छा काम वही हुआ कि मैंने इतने अच्छे न्यूज़ मुझे मिले। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you for sharing, and thank you for taking it up. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're going to receive good news every day now.
Yes.
More and more of good news.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so today is a very beautiful chapter, the magical to-do list. Who would like to read?
I, Shikha. Shweta. Don't give it to Shikha today.
Okay.
Didi,
give my hand.
please. Didi, please.
I'm not
I'm your
arguing.
younger sister.
I already said okay.
Okay, so who's reading? You can start. Okay, first look at this picture, the magical to-do list. Let's enter the picture now with a happy and joyful and loving and caring mind.
The balloons
Balloons and leaves.
flying high.
वो
And leaves.
High in the sky.
दूसरे
दूसरा-
पिक्चर में कोई छोटी सी चीट है, कागज का कोई
कागज
पत्ता
का।
है
जो
और
attached है.
with
the
lots
string.
of
Yes.
feel it's a feather.
Yeah,
white
it's a
feather.
feather. It's a feather.
Where is the feather? On the right hand side
On the
picture?
string,
on the
yeah,
right
on the
hand
right hand
side
side.
below.
On the
It's a cheat.
string
This
of the
you're
balloon.
talking about, this is a feather?
Yeah,
On the string of the balloon.
Okay, okay, okay.
Taking it
I-
up
That
high.
looks like a feather.
I
Okay.
think it's a paper.
I think it's a paper.
I think
Okay.
paper.
Acha, it's a paper. Okay, okay. So it's a
Attached
feather,
with
it's a paper
strings.
which is tied to the end of the string. Yes.
Strings.
And वो
It's a magic wish list of someone which is
Yeah.
like made to fly in the sky so that all the things come true.
It's a magic wish list of someone. Why not you?
Oh, it is
Yeah,
mine.
me. Yeah, mine. Okay.
Okay, okay.
and balloon
magic 3.
balloon represent the happiness and joy. So जो wish list है वो फिनिश होने के बाद अपन हम लोग वो फील कर रहे हैं जॉय और हैप्पीनेस का।
Okay, okay. Lovely.
And there are 3 balloons. It represents number 3.
Yes.
So,
Yes, 3 balloons.
So what number? Number what?
Number 3.
3 number. Yes.
Yes. So what is the significance of number 3?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gratitude.
Infinity.
Creation or
It's
creation.
the number of creation.
Number of
Yes.
Number of
Number.
creation.
So always
The num-
remember, be specific. It's a number of creation. It makes a
Creation.
difference, you know, when
It's
you
the number
when you
of
say that.
creation, number of Trinity.
Yes. Yes.
Infinity, I think 8 number infinity.
Sorry.
Number 8 is infinity number.
Number 8, yeah, it's a number of infinity. Yeah.
Someone told infinity.
No, she said
Oh,
Trinity. She said Trinity.
okay, sorry.
Okay.
वंदना जी
हाँ जी.
मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मतलब ये ड्यूरिंग द टाइम या जब भी एंड हो तब, मतलब आज नहीं, ये अपना सेशन जब भी खत्म हो या बीच में कभी भी, जो 369 वाला है ना, वो एक दफे आप ले लीजिएगा पूरा.
ठीक है. Okay.
थैंक यू.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
हमारी विश लिस्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड से कंप्लीट हो गई है और हम उसे हवा में जाने दे रहे हैं. मतलब इट इज गोइंग इन द स्काई,
Sending it to the universe.
सेंडिंग इट टू द यूनिवर्स.
Wishes complete हो गई है and
ग्रैटिट्यूड विद द फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड.
Okay, and उसे हवा में जाने दे रहे. Someone said that, right?
या, और उसे हवा में हम जाने दे रहे हैं एज द balloons are
as I want to add something, Pooja. हमारी
sure.
विशेष कंप्लीट विश लिस्ट है वो कंप्लीट हो गया है विथ लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड वही ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ विथ लॉट्स ऑफ जॉय हम वो यूनिवर्स को वापस कर रहे हैं, ग्रेटिट्यूड वापस कर रहे हैं, पे कर रहे हैं मतलब.
Yes. So when
Yes,
your wishes are fulfilled, very important to be grateful at that time. Be grateful to the universe that time also. So before and after both. Lovely. You got a very beautiful thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjusha ji.
Manjusha ji,
Pooja.
thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
And also these balloons they are moving in the air, matlab they are lighter, that's why
And-
they are rising up. So the balloons are rising up, so which means that you know अगर हम balloon में खाली हम हवा अपनी मुंह की हवा भरते हैं तो वो इतनी light नहीं होते हैं, but
Okay.
is helium gas in it, that's why it's going up in the air. So which means that when you know when we fill our bodies and mind with gratitude, we become lighter, happier, joyful, excited. So when we actually जब हम अपने पूरी बॉडी को एवरी पूरा एकदम भर देंगे, पूरे एकदम अच्छी तरह से भर देंगे एंड वो डुल के बाहर आने लगेगा, it will start overflowing, then actually you will feel the lightness and joy and happiness and passionate and excitement in your body. So and in that state when we are feeling lighter and happier, in that state, whatever we think, whatever we feel, we manifest. So this is the, let's all be more and more grateful, be more and more thankful, and jitna shukrana se aap apne aap ko bhar doge, utna hi you will be lighter, happier, joyful, and you will be able to bring things in your life, to manifest things in your life, to make your wishes come true. So keep this picture in your mind that anytime you feel heavy, laid down, you feel, oh, not again, vapas ye kaise ho gaya, why this is happening to me, just be. So this reminds you, the balloons remind you that be grateful. So now every time when you see a balloon, you'll feel this, you will remember this. So ek ye association develop ho gaya balloon ke saath mein. Okay, and today's chapter will take you, to a space where you have to use gratitude's magical power to create magic and miracles in your to-do list. And what is to-do list? We are going to read further. Start reading.
Yeah. The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Philpotts, 1862 to 1960, novelist and poet.
Yes. So what is happening is because of the logical mind, jitna hum logics से सोचते हैं या काम करते हैं, उसके कारण द अवेयरनेस, जो अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए, दैट अवेयरनेस विच इज द की टू सक्सेस फॉर एनीथिंग व्हाट वी वांट इन लाइफ. सो उसमें हमारे जो other part of the mind other than the logical mind, so the one part of the brain is the logical mind, intellectual mind, and the other part of the brain is the imaginative mind. So if you are in that space of imagination, your wits will grow sharper, and the world is full of magical things. It is waiting for our wits to grow sharper. What does wits means? Just look into the dictionary. We all know the meaning of wits, but when you look into the dictionary, something beautiful comes up. So what is the meaning of wits? Anyone?
Having a particular type of intelligence.
Having a particular type of intelligence.
Having a particular type of intelligence.
Yes, yes. What else?
Or to use words in a clever and amusing way.
Yes, to use words in a clever and amusing way. To be in that excitement, to be in that state of fun, having fun, not being rigid, even when you are doing the assignments of the magic book, not being rigid, just follow what the book is telling you in a very fun and playful way. Not being rigid, oh, I have to do, it's going at the back of your mind, okay, it's been said that I have to do. No, when you've accepted it in a very funful way, in a playful way, then when you sit down and write, then it becomes really magical for you. You manifest whatever you are writing, whatever you're saying, whatever you're thinking. So the world is waiting for us to to improve this part of our personality, our wits to grow sharper. Being observant is also wits. So being in that state of awareness every single moment. Whatever you're doing, whatever is happening, whatever you're hearing, whatever you're feeling, just be aware of it. Use bas, just so aware matlab ki you have to be present. You are in that moment in the now. Okay, so then when you are in that moment, you know that your wits have grown sharper and more magic will come into your life. Please continue.
Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, more it will do for you, and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more, so it can do far more magical things for you.
So till now we've got the taste of gratitude, each one of us, and we have building a muscle in this area, the muscles in the area of gratitude. So in that feeling of gratitude. So when we make friends, we expect them to be there when you need them, whenever you feel like talking to them and you really like being with them, and few of our friends. So like that, gratitude is your true friend. It's your best friend. And it's always there for you. It's always there for you. No matter you forget your friend, but the friend is always there for you. And it will never let you down. So, jab, these are the qualities of a good friend. Your friend, a good friend, is always there for you, is always there to help you, guide you, protect you, never fail you, let you down. Whenever you require to talk to that friend, meet that friend, share with that friend, she or he is always there, isn't it? So like that, we have a true friend with us, which is gratitude. And the more and more you depend, the more and more you lean, the more and more you look for it, the more and more it will be there for you. It will say, I'm there, don't worry. And your life will become more and more magical. Please continue.
Every day there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve the situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do, and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in the day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something or tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor. And despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, and you do not know how to respond to them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone, and instead of getting it resolved, things seems to be getting worse.
Yes, so we'll pause here. So there is a possibility that, you know, some days are really, really beautiful and some days you have little life problems and now you know how to solve them. But sometimes you might be overwhelmed. Oh, so much work. I don't have time. I don't know what to do. Like how, you know, we heard Shailaja saying in the beginning that now I'm going to run around. Yes, Shailaja? Are you there? Shailaja, are you there? Can't hear me or what? Okay, so you must be feeling ना कई लोगों को लगता है कि time ही नहीं है. How many of you feel like that? Yes, no?
Ma'am, I'm there. Just that my network is bad. Sorry.
Okay. So yes, how many of you feel that you know, there's no time and there's so much work. How will it get over? What will I do? How will I do? And you're completely overwhelmed and frazzled. So how many of you feel
Sometimes
that?
it happens.
Sometimes I feel.
Yeah, I feel
Sometimes it happens. One person said most of the time.
No, but it's happening less now because I'm getting a handle of things.
Okay. So there is this line which says that there are only 24 hours. And of course, we know, yes, of course, we know that there are 24 hours in a day. So supposing I say that I give you 26 hours, will you want to know how?
Yes.
Okay. So supposing from the time you're waking up now, supposing you're waking up at 6 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock, or maybe 8 o'clock, or maybe 9 o'clock. Since you're coming to the session, you're waking up early. So whatever is your usual time of waking up, if you start waking up 2 hours prior to that, so just be with me with this, huh? Understand this. It's really beautiful if you can understand this. Supposing, and we know that waking in the Amrit Bela and the Brahma Muhurat is good, but somehow it's not happening, but now it's happening. And maybe it might skip, or maybe it not. I mean, after the sessions, maybe the habit will go, or maybe the habit has been developed. So for those of you who feel that, you know, there are only 24 hours in a day, and all of us feel that. So if you start waking up 2 hours prior to the time you're waking up, so what happens is that you are getting in a day 2 hours, in a month you're getting 60 hours extra. Okay, just be with it. 60 hours extra, and then in a year you're getting 60 into 12, which is 720 hours. Okay, and when you divide this by 24, then what do you get? The 24 hours in a day. When you divide that,
1 month extra.
You're getting 30 days. So you're getting 1 month extra. Are you getting me? Instead of 12 months, you're getting 13 months in a year.
Yes.
Just by taking one simple step. And then all this thing, and believe me, the morning time is the most beautiful time. Even if you do anything for 1 hour, it feels like, you know, you've done things that you would have done in the entire day, in the rest of the day. If you would have picked that job or work, it would have taken you 3 hours. It's like the power of that 1 hour is equivalent to 3 hours, isn't it? How many of us have felt that?
Yes, I.
Yes, yes.
So now today we know, yes. So we have so many hours extra now. Just by taking up this beautiful thing, just changing your belief about time. Changing your belief about time.
Thank you so much, Vandana ji. This is like baker's dozen, no? If you buy a dozen, you get one more. So
Yes.
12 महीने में एक और महीना मिल गया.
हाँ. And maybe now you know what to do. And whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, that first of all, when you start doing this, you won't feel overwhelmed. You will, and I mean, as we go through the chapter, we'll understand how to do it. But whenever you find yourself in an uncomfortable situation because something a person has asked you and you don't know how to respond, you don't know how to, because you feel that there is lack of time. There is lack of time. So anything which you have been thinking since a long time, anything that you have been thinking since a long time, like going to a doctor or a dentist or a perfect babysitter, or maybe you wanted to go for you wanted to start a morning walk, or you wanted, so now we know that when we want to wake up early, now we know this is an inspiration, this is an incentive that we have got now.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
There's someone's mic on and it's so much of disturbance at the back. Some breeze voice or something is coming. Please.
Now also, I am not getting it now. It was coming previously. You
I'm
getting it now also,
also.
Ree?
Hanji. Yes.
Okay, so everyone is hearing that noise?
Before it was
Not
coming,
now,
now it is
not
not,
now.
not now.
Acha, okay. So, Ree, just check your Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So, or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone. मतलब किसी के साथ something has happened and you are not very comfortable even when you remember that person and you want to resolve it, but if you are trying to resolve it, but it seems to get worse and worse. So just identify anything in your life before we go further, so that whenever you'll get the solutions there and there. And today's chapter is really beautiful. How to get solutions to the problems before they come, or maybe when they are there, and when you shift your focus from the problem to the solution, you actually manifest a beautiful space in your life. So just today, so before the today's chapter will tell you, just empty your mind, whatever has been there at the back of your mind and you have been not able to achieve, and it's going on moving like a reel, like a movie reel is going on in your mind. So what do you do with those things? Let's continue.
This magical to-do list practice will help you with any little day-to-day problems when you don't know what to do or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. When you combine gratitude's magical power with law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen. Today, create a
Yes,
written...
we'll pause here.
Okay.
So, one second. So it says that how it will be done for you, that's not your job. So never how, just allow. If you are thinking, you have a strong determination to do something, the law of attraction will start rearranging events, people and situations for you. मतलब अगर आप कोई काम अगर शिद्दत से करना चाहते हो तो सारी कायनात जुड़ जाती है उसे पूरा करने में. Your work is to just discover your work, and then with all your heart, just give yourself to it. I'll repeat this. Your work is just to discover your work, and with all your heart, give yourself to it, and then see how magics happen in your life. Okay, and then let the magic happen. So just you when you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, So everything will be rearranged, realigned for you. You will not only understand how things are happening and working for you, because you have made it happen. You have made it happen by gratitude's magical power, and you have written it down and given a, you have given, actually you've said it to the universe. You have given it to the universe, and things start realigning itself. How it happens, let's read.
Today, create create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems, from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you.
Yes, so please, each one of you identify for yourself right now. Yes, as the reader is reading, just identify and might have come in your mind immediately. Yes, everyone, yes, no?
Yes.
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 Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. Please continue.
When you have finished making your list, choose 3 things from your list to focus on today. And one at a time, imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your 3 items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You can
Yes, so first you have made the list. Don't stop, make the list of everything. First, just take it out from your head and write it on the paper on your gratitude in your gratitude journal. Once you've made the list, now you have to choose 3 things from your list to focus. And once you have chosen those 3 things, and you have to visualize. You have to visualize one at a time that each thing has been done. It's there. It's been done for you. See, it's written in italic words, for you. And that you feel that all, so you just have to give it to the universe. You have given an intent, your intention has been given to the universe, and you'll sit and visualize. So visualization is really important. So you asked for it, you believe it is true, and you want to receive it. Now you receive it, and then you sit and visualize, and when you visualize with an affirmation, it becomes really powerful. So you're imagine. So imagine is what? Visualization. Imagine that everything it's there with you. People, circumstances, and events have moved to do it for you, and it is now done. This is really, really important for you to feel it. Feeling is really important. And then don't forget to give thanks in return for it having been done. So it is said that spend at least 1 minute. You don't have to time yourself when you see that, okay, 1 minute is over or not. Just go beyond time and space. Don't even think what is the time. Unless until you feel it is real, keep on visualizing it. Okay, you can.
You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time. But there is power in simply putting the things you want done on the magical to-do list. Remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like. And that means that when you are grateful for solutions, as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution, not a magnet to a problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution.
Yes, so whenever I read this para, actually, I remember a story which I'm going to share with you all. And so there was this contractor, he's lived in a city, and he was a contractor of making roads. So he got a contract one day to make a road in a village, and so he one day he decided. So before he actually would accept he got the contract, so he wanted to see the space, the place where he had to make the road. So he decided, let me drive, and enjoy the drive of the countryside. And he's enjoying his drive. He's really driving, and he goes to the village. And while he's returning back, so he examined the site, everything, his work is done. So while he's returning back, and so he had to cross a bridge, and there was a very beautiful river flowing underneath, and that the view was really beautiful, and he was really enjoying. But suddenly what happened was that one of his tires became flat. Just he was in the middle of the bridge. Just imagine the car in the middle of the bridge, the tire flat, and there's no one around because it was evening by the time he was returning back home. So now he's just, he just doesn't know what to do. He's thinking, so he just comes out, and he decides to change the tire because it's there, the stepney is there in the back, and he takes out the stepney. He just takes out the tire, and he takes out the nuts from the tire, the flat tire. And there are 4 nuts in a tire, if you must have observed. It's if you can look over it right now, some of you might be knowing that there are 4 nuts. And he takes out those nuts and places them on the street. So while he is taking the flat tire and going to get the other tire from the back of his car, his foot steps on the nuts and they all fall into the river. Now he doesn't know what to do. He is in a fix. He doesn't know what to do, and he's wondering what to do. And then suddenly he sees a farmer coming in a bullock cart. He's coming towards that side. The farmer comes to him and says, what happened? Can I help you? So he said, Bauji, kya hua? Main aapko help kar sakta hu, kya hua? So he says, no, आप कुछ नहीं समझ पाओगे, आपको नहीं समझ आएगा. It's okay, I'll handle myself. So still he persists that can I help you? Just tell me if I can be of any help. So he says, he narrates everything that this has happened, and I don't know what to do. So he keeps quiet for some time, and then he says, after 2 minutes, he says, okay, I have a solution. What we can do is, there are 3 other tires, and they have 4 nuts in each one of them. If you take one nut from all the 3 tires and use all the 3 nuts for this tire, you will be able to drive to the city. 5 kilometers from here, there is a mechanic. He's going to resolve your problem. But this will help you to reach the mechanic. So that man, that contractor, is really surprised. वो उसे कहता है कि आप क्या मैकेनिक थे कभी, आपको कैसे पता चला ये? So the farmer smiles and says that I was just focusing on the solution, not the problem. मैं खाली ये फोकस कर रहा था कि solution क्या है, मैंने problem पे focus ही नहीं किया, and that is how I got the solution. So this is a real, this story really, whenever you are in a problem surrounded by something, the first step is to be grateful for the things that is around you, that is there with you. But this also gives you a lesson that just focus on the solution, because when you focus on the problem, you will attract more and more problems. Like attracts like. The law of attraction will give you more and more problems. So the contractor was really thankful to the farmer, and he said, thank you so much. He did that. He went to the mechanic, and everything was resolved, and he reached home safely. So like that in our life, whenever there's a problem, let's shift our focus from the problem to the solution, and it will come, because you have set the ball of attracting the solution in your life. You've set the ball into motion, and the law of attraction starts working with you. Let's read this example, what Rhonda has shared with us. Yes. So does this make sense to y'all, this story?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Please start.
Yes.
Yes.
To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surrounding doors. But no one had found her wallet. Other than fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash. Her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She did not have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope.
Yes, so the wallet was lost and she was not aware of it, Rhonda Byrne's daughter, and she was trying to search for it. And she was quite worried because all the precious things, we generally keep our precious things in our wallet, all the bank, credit cards, license, and Aadhaar card, whatever, everything is kept in the wallet only. And the biggest point of concern was that there was no current contact information. So means like she must have taken out because she had gone for an overseas journey for some time, and there was no phone number, and she was just thinking now what to do. So let's see what she does. Yes.
But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all its contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hands.
So this is the power of visualization. We'll pause here. This is the power of visualization, and it's very, very important, this para. The more and more you can visualize deeply with little points, just go deeply into it, the law of attraction starts working faster. Otherwise also it works, but the speed increases. इसे हम you can पूर्वाभास भी बोलते हैं like हिंदी में, कि इसके बिना law of attraction काम तो करता है पर धीरे धीरे करता है. So this is the power of the subconscious mind. When you're visualizing, you are actually in the deeper recesses of your subconscious mind. एकदम अपने mind के, और जितना आप ज्यादा visualize करोगे उतना you will go deeper and deeper. Okay, and not only that, she felt enormous gratitude. As first of all, she felt that the wallet is there with her, it's there in her hands. That was the first step. And when she opened the wallet, everything, all the contents were there. And then again, she was grateful. Then again, that nothing had gone out of it, and everything, whatever was there, it was there in it. Nothing was taken out. So she was so grateful. So like that, with whatever those three things, what you have chosen, you will have to visualize it deeply, sit in a concentrated way, and not that you will do one thing and then the second and the third. No, just sit in a concentrated way, just sit in a quiet space, take out time for yourself, tell everyone that I want this time for myself, and then just do it. Okay, and remember to be grateful. That's really, really important that you have got it. Even though, and make it as real as you can. So visualization will make it as real as it can be. Yes, please continue.
For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it, again my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands, and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her.
Kept on giving those, 1 minute. So she kept on giving those energies to the wallet. And remember, energy flows where your attention goes. Her attention was in the wallet, the contents of the wallet, the color of the wallet, the feeling of the wallet in her hands, everything, each and everything that you can possibly imagine. Make it as real. So then what happens is, that the energy is, so she didn't lose hope, not only once. I mean, it was not just that she did it once and she left it. She kept on doing the rest of the day also, and then let's see what happens after that. Yes.
Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away, saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of the story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail, and so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But
Yeah, please
while
continue.
he was, but while he was, I'll continue.
Yeah,
Or-
please continue.
Okay. But while he was walking out in the field at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it. And so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistants. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We
Yes, so
called.
we'll pause here. So the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him. What does that mean? What was happening over there? क्यों ऐसा हो रहा था? Why was the wallet nagging and nagging at the farmer? Why did he say that? Because Rhonda Burns,
Because there was
Daughter,
a lot of energy sent by
Huh.
the daughter,
daughter.
Yes.
Flow of energy.
the
Yes.
girl who lost her wallet. So she had sent a lot of energy to it so that it returns back to her anyhow.
Yes, so that is how energy flows in the magical world. It's all what this the world about energies. You know, the magical world is all about energies, and this is how our emotions, our feelings, our thoughts about something, it flows like this. And remember, it flows faster than the light. It really flows faster than the light. You won't be able to imagine how fast it can flow. It all depends your intensity, with the way you are making it flow. However is your intensity, the results will be exponential. It will be faster and faster depending upon the intensity of your emotions and feelings. Okay, so this is really important, that she kept on imagining it for the rest of the day whenever she thought about it. I mean, it's quite natural that you lose a wallet and it will be constantly there in your mind, and you will be, with all the valuable documents in it. So it will, of course, till the time you find it, it will go on moving in your mind like a movie reel. It will keep on moving till the time you find it. But she didn't stop there, because then it will create more worry and anxiety, right? But she felt this was really important what she did. She imagined that it was there in her hands, and she felt gratitude. This is really important, which we might miss at times. So just remember to do this. And this was really magical. Until date, Rhonda Byrne is saying, okay, there's a lot of noise. What is this? Shweta, is it coming from your side?
No.
Can everybody else mute themselves? Okay, thank you. So to this day, Rhonda Byrne says is that we are not understanding. It's mind-boggling that how did that the farmer got the phone number. So it's all the miracle of her faith in gratitude. Visualization, what she was doing, because it made it real. So everything what happens in our world happens twice. Once when it actually happens, but before that it happens in our mind. And the more and more deeply we visualize in our mind, the more deeply we enter into our subconscious mind. So now bring it in your life. Bring this habit into your life. You don't have to sit and visualize for half an hour, 1 hour. No. If your visualization is powerful, even 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes is enough. If you don't have a place, you can go to any, you can just sit. If you are in a car, just sit in your car and do it. Nobody is there to disturb you. If you're in an office and if you feel that there is no place, go in the bathroom and spend 3-4 minutes. You just have to stand at one place, shut your eyes and start doing it. Okay, so please continue. We called
directory assistants ourselves several times after this happened. And the response every time was, sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back. And as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it.
yes. So beautiful that how she got her wallet, and it's a beautiful learning for each one of us, and the story of the contractor. So, and also this is clear that she knew, I mean, she was not focusing, she was not getting worried, anxious that why, what has happened, what am I going to do? Nothing, no worries, nothing, no thoughts of that kind. And she was quite sure and positive that yes, the wallet is there with me, and she got it. She made it happen for her. Like that, we can make things happen for us. Life starts working for us. The life situations which are there, they change in front of our very eyes. And we actually become like magnets. We actually become like magnets. You all have to discover that for yourself. We all have to discover for ourselves and learn how to use it. So this chapter is more about visualization, the power of visualization, which is one more step when you in the law of attraction and manifestation. So first you ask, then you receive, you believe, then you receive, and then visualization. And when you visualize with an affirmation, then it becomes all the more powerful. Okay, so let's read the magic practice number 18, and we'll do a very powerful visualization today for our dreams. So all the top 10 dream lists that we had made on day 13, we are going to choose 3 from them today and work on them. The 3 most important out of those 10, and we are going to work on them today in the visualization. Let's read the magical to-do list. Yes.
Magic practice number 18, the magic to-do list. First, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to-do list. Third, choose 3 of the most important things from your list, and one at a time, imagine that each thing has been done for you. Fourth, spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Shweta, for reading it so beautifully for us.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tinku.
So yes, so
Thank you.
these steps are very important. If it's not clear, you can ask me now if something is unclear, but follow the steps. Follow the steps, and visualization is very important. For that, you have to be in a quiet space where you can actually be with yourself. Okay, so disturbed by any messages from the cell phone or the you just keep your phone on silent whenever you're doing all the magical practices. This goes for every single magical practices. Okay, so just uh, Be in a space where you are in a space of silence and you are with yourself, just with yourself. And today, just make, so it's a magical to-do list. And you know, when you write magical to-do list, you've already given those energies to the universe. So beautiful. And you've already set the ball into motion. So whatever you're writing, do with awareness. Remember the first line. The first line of the chapter, the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Just sharpen your wits before you sit down to write the magical to-do list. So we have to connect with whatever we have done, the picture, the motto of the chapter, the first line. Just connect with everything, and then when you are in that space, then sit down to do the magical to-do list. Then actually you are adding more power to whatever you're doing. Okay, so we'll do the visualization. Just make sure you're not disturbed by your external environment, and you are going to sit with your cell phones on a silent mode, and please mute yourselves everyone.
वन्ना जी
हाँ जी.
अब मैंने लास्ट सेशन में शेयर किया था, अभी जो ये पर्स, इसमें हमने पढ़ा कि वो लड़की का पर्स गुम हो गया था, तो उन्होंने विजुलाइज किया, पर मैंने लास्ट सेशन में शेयर किया था, पर अभी मैं इधर शेयर दोबारा करना चाहूँगी कि मैंने लास्ट दिसंबर में 20 में किसी को मेरी ज्वेलरी दी थी, मेरी फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स दोनों को दी थी। तो इस जनवरी में मैं मेरा वार्डरोब मैनेज कर रही थी, तो मुझे वो ज्वेलरी मिल नहीं रही थी। तो मैंने बहुत सोचा कि मैं कहाँ रखा है, फिर मैंने सोचा कि चलो ये दोनों को मैंने दिया था तो उनको मैं एक बार पूछ लूँ। तो उन दोनों को मैंने पूछ लिया, तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, वो तो मैंने आपको लौटा दी है। तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि चलो भाई, ये तो हमारे नियर डियर है, तो उन पे तो डाउट नहीं कर सकते। तो फिर मैं कहीं पे जा रही थी, ट्रैवल कर रही थी, तो उस टाइम में बीच में ये प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी विजुलाइज की, तो तभी मेरे माइंड में अचानक वो ज्वेलरी आई, तो मैंने विजुलाइज किया कि वो मेरे पास आ गई है। मैंने उसको रख के मैंने लॉकर में रख दिया है, और अगले साल शादी आने वाली तभी मैंने पहनी थी। तो आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, विद इन 5 मिनट्स में मेरी फ्रेंड को, जो जिसको मैंने दी थी, उसका कॉल आया। अभी जो मेरा विजुलाइजेशन चालू है, दूसरी चीज पे मैं विजुलाइज कर रही थी, तो उनका कॉल आया कि हिना, तेरी ज्वेलरी मेरे पास है, कि मैं तुझे देने आ रही थी, तब मैंने ड्राइंग रूम पे छोड़ दिया था और मैं बाहर चली गई थी, तो मेरी सास ने उनके कपबोर्ड में रख दिया था। तो उनका ये तेरी ज्वेलरी का पाउच उनके वो कपड़ों की गद्दी के नीचे चला गया था। तो आज वो जब मैनेज कर रही थी, तो तेरा ये मिल गया है। तो ये पावर है विजुलाइज में, और मुझे वो भी मेरी ज्वेलरी 1 साल के बाद ओनली 2 या 3 मिनट की विजुलाइजेशन के बाद मुझे वापस मिल गई। थैंक यू सो। मैंने पहले शेयर किया था, पर अभी ये न्यू पार्टिसिपेट है, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं विजुलाइजेशन में क्या पावर है और कितने शिद्दत से आप उसको करते हैं ना, वो डिपेंड करता है।
Yes. And with अगर करते करते भी कभी शायद some doubt comes, like different minds, so something comes and how is it possible, so release all that and then keep on doing till the time you feel, जब तक आपको लगे कि रियल नहीं हुआ है, मेरे माइंड के अंदर, मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को फील होना चाहिए कि इट्स रियल. So first it happens in the internal world and then it starts happening outside. So Hina ji, thank you for sharing. Even Manjusha ji, when you shared about the Paytm thing, you actually sat and visualized, right? And then
Yes.
it happened. So you experienced it. Even when you visualized, yeah, one second.
Sorry to हाँ कोई बात नहीं.
So Hina ji, when you visualized for your daughter-in-law and your daughter also that they are well, so that was also the power of visualization. So
और जो डाउट नहीं करती हूँ, मैंने उस टाइम भी डाउट नहीं किया था कि उन लोगों के पास होगा, वो नहीं दे रहे, मैं डाउट ही नहीं किया था कि मेरे पास आ गया है. That's it.
Yes, lovely. So this is what we all have, that power in us. Now we have to activate that power and start moving in that direction. Yes, Manjusha ji, you wanted to share something.
नहीं, बस वही बोल रही थी कि कल का भी विजुअलाइजेशन ऐसा ही था, पूरे दिन मुझे वही फील हो रहा था कि ये अहमदाबाद में क्यों इतने केस बढ़ रहे हैं, क्यों अहमदाबाद की हालत इतनी खराब है। और कल मैंने वही मैजिक क्रॉक लेके हाथ में वो विजुअलाइजेशन का शुरू किया और तुरंत ही मुझे ये मैसेज मिला। मे बी वो पहले से शुरू हो गया होगा, पर मुझे जब मैसेज मिला तब मेरा वो मतलब इतना दिन अच्छा मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती कि मुझे क्या फीलिंग हुई थी उस वक्त।
So, जो अभी आपने बोला ना अहमदाबाद की हालत खराब है, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, यू एक्चुअली डिड अ कंप्लेन, तो ये अभी नहीं बोलना है। ओके, सो यू रियली, सो बिकॉज गया वो, यूनिवर्स हैज, इट्स गॉन इन द यूनिवर्स। अगेन आपने जो किया वो आप वापस 10 स्टेप्स बैक चले गए, 10 + 10 20 स्टेप्स, एंड देन यू सेड कि मे बी वो पहले से शुरू हो गया होगा। सो दैट मीन्स दैट आपको कंप्लीट फेथ नहीं हो रहा है कि आई मीन आपको थोड़ा सा कहीं पे डाउट आ रहा है कि मे बी। सो दिस इज हाउ आवर माइंड वर्क्स, यू नो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर माइंड इज वर्किंग। तो अगर सो then the law of attraction keeps on doing whatever, however you're thinking and feeling, it keeps on bringing into your life. तो आपको बस अभी अगर हो गया है तो that means that is the truth। अभी आपके लिए ये सत्य यही है, that हम जो कर रहे हैं, जो आपने सोचा, that is the truth। because now अगर उस faith से अगर हम again when we are visualizing collectively, जब हम वापस करेंगे या आप कहीं और भी कोई ग्रुप में करेंगे, तो then the power will be 1000 times more powerful than what it is right now। तो पावर है हमारे अंदर, लेकिन उस पावर को एक्टिवेट कैसे करना है टू इट्स ऑप्टिमम, मतलब पूरे अपनी पूरी पोटेंशियल को यूज करना है। यू हैव टू यूज योर मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल, अपनी वाइब्रेशंस, अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी को बिल्कुल हायर लेवल पे लेके जाना है। रिमेंबर, now the frequency of Mother Earth is shifting to a higher level। Mother Earth की frequency अभी increase हो रही है। Okay, so that is, so if we also increase our frequency along with that, then we are actually aligning, हम Mother Earth की frequency के साथ align हो रहे हैं। Okay, so just remember that anytime ऐसा कुछ thought आए, then just say, then just write and sit down, sit and write down that whatever you are grateful for, so then you will increase your frequency again।
Sure,
okay, so
thank you।
let's do the visualization। So everybody mute yourself, everybody is muted. Let me see. Yes, okay, lovely। So today is a very powerful visualization। If you have any work to do, you want to give any instructions, you feel somebody will come and talk to you, please tell them that you don't want to get disturbed। So focus in your normal breaths, अपने माइंड को पूरी तरह जो सांस अंदर आ रही है और जो सांस बाहर की तरफ रिलीज हो रहा है, उस पर ध्यान देना है। Just put your entire awareness in your breaths and if sit with an erect spine, अपने स्पाइन को पूरी तरह से, रीढ़ की हड्डी को पूरी तरह से सीधे कर दीजिए। If you want, you can take the support of the wall। If you are sitting on the chair, just take the support of the chair। If you are sitting on the ground, and if you feel like going closer to the wall, go closer to the wall, but make yourself as comfortable as you can। And if you are sitting on your bed, make sure that you are out of your bed, you're sitting down or on a chair or wherever। So as humans, what we have created is the manifestation of our own minds। First, we always create in our minds, in our internal world, and then it actually happens। So what is powerfully established in the mind is bound to find its manifestation in reality, in the real world, in the outside world। So now as you are sitting in a comfortable position, आप बिल्कुल comfortable position में बैठे हो। Your legs, if you're sitting on the chair, uncross your legs। If you're sitting on the floor with crossed legs, that's fine। Your palms are on the thighs. Open palms facing upward. Your eyes are closed. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax even more. Longer exhalation. Take one more deep breath, and this time feel a wave of relaxation in your entire body. Feel a wave of relaxation in your entire body. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Tense your feet and then relax. Which means you're going to focus your awareness, you're going to shift your focus from any other part of your body to your feet. And tensing means without actually making a big movement, you're just tensing those muscles in your feet. Now tense your calf muscles. The calf muscles जो आपके ankles के ऊपर है, पिछले भाग में, पैर के पिछले भाग में. Above your ankles and below your knee. Tense the muscles and relax it. Tense your thigh muscles. Shift your awareness to your thigh muscles. Tense, and then relax it. Focus your awareness on your hips and your stomach muscles. Tense, and then relax it. Tense the muscles in your chest and back, your shoulders. Tense, and then relax. And now once again, just tense your shoulders and hold the tension. Hold the tension there and then relax it. Tense both your arms. Tense, and then relax it. Make a fist, and then relax it. Tense your neck muscles. Relax. Tense, and then relax it. Tense the muscles in your face and the back of the head. As if you're creating faces. Make a face and create tension. And the back of your head also. Tense, and then relax. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel the wave of relaxation running through your entire body. Feel this wave of relaxation running from the top of the head to the tips of your toes. And in this relaxed state, feel yourself climbing the peak of a mountain. You're climbing the mountain. As you're climbing, you're feeling the fresh, cold air. Feel your breath going in deep, rapid gasps like this. Everybody breathe like this. As if you are breathing rapidly breathing. Can you hear the sound of my breath? Inhale and exhale rapidly. Keep on breathing. Inhale and exhale rapidly. Carry on. You are climbing the top of a mountain. Breathe rapidly. Breathe deeply and rapidly. Continue to breathe. Continue breathing. Deeply. you feel like pausing, you can pause and continue again. Carry on, carry on. Feel that you have reached the top of a mountain, of the top of the mountain. Your breath continues to breathe in rapid gasps. You continue to breathe like that. And now you are standing upon the peak of a very, very tall mountain. See it clearly. You're standing on the top of a tall mountain. And as you look down, you can see the smaller peaks and valleys. And the people who are living, who cannot climb up, who dare not climb up. The dwellings of those who do not dare not climb up. Slowly, 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 your breath settles down. Your breaths are back to normal. And now take a deep breath in. Feel the smell of the cold mountain air entering your nostrils. Smile. Continue to feel the special feeling of being upon the peak of a mountain and the cold air touching your body, entering your body. And in that space, feel a bright spot in the center of your eyebrows. Feel a bright blue-white light in the center of your eyebrows. And smile. Feel this light spreading 5 centimeters away from your center of the eyebrows. Feel this light growing 50 centimeters away. Feel this light growing 100 centimeters. And feel this light growing 1,000 centimeters. Moving bigger and bigger, becoming bigger and bigger, filling the entire room, filling the entire universe. Feel this light growing and growing as you are breathing in and out. And feel your body, feel your mind becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. And now in this space, bring that one dream that you want to become true, that you feel it is there, it's there with you. Just bring that one dream and feel that it is real. Bring it in the depths of your subconscious mind. Bring it in the depths of your subconscious mind. And smile and feel that you've got it. You've got it. It's there. It's there in your life. Visualize. Go into every detail of your dream, whatever you have chosen for yourself. That first dream that you have chosen for yourself just now. Visualize it. Feel it. It's there. You have got it. And wow. Wow. You're feeling so happy, so joyful. And you're sharing it with your near and dear ones. You're sharing with them. Wow, wow. Smile. Bring that smile. You've got that dream. Your wish has been fulfilled. And now bring the second dream in your subconscious mind. Bring it in front of you. Just remember that dream, what you have chosen for yourself. Your wish, your goal, your desire. And feel it's real, it's real, it's real, it's there, it's there. Experience this fully, experience this completely. Enjoy this moment. Enjoy it. You are on top of the mountain. Wow, wow. This dream has come true. Wow. And I'm so happy, so thankful. Thank you, universe, for making it happen. Thank you so much. Thank you, God, for giving me this, for wishing, for fulfilling this wish of mine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now bring your third dream. Bring your third dream in front of you. Bring it in the deeper parts of your subconscious mind. It's there, it's there, it's real, it's happened, it's there with you. It's there with you and you've got it. Wow. Spend some time with the dream. Just visualize each and every detail. And as you're visualizing, you are feeling so light, so happy, so joyful, so excited. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, universe, for making it happen. Thank you so much. And smile, smile. Feel that inner smile. Feel that smile in your heart. Feel the smile in your lips. Feel every part of your body smiling, smiling happily, smiling, a broad smile. Feel every cell in your body smiling. And they are jumping with joy. And now feel this happiness in every being on this earth. Each and every human, each and every person, each and every being is filled with this happiness, this joy, this smile, this excitement to be alive. Feel this happiness. Feel this happiness. Let it overflow. Let it overflow into each and every being on this earth. Feel the earth smiling. Feel the earth blessing you. Feel it. Feel it in every cell of your body. Enjoy the silence you are in right now. Enjoy this silence. Be in this silence. And say this to yourself. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. I am responsible for all the choices that I make in my life. I am responsible for all the choices that I make in my life. I am responsible for all the choices that I make in my life. Come back to your breaths. Be aware of your breaths. Be aware of this body. Be aware of the mind. Move your arms, move your legs. Just sit like this. Don't be in a hurry to open your eyes. Just be in this moment where you are. Take your time to open your eyes. Take your time to move. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So yes.
एक बात शेयर करनी थी आपसे।
हाँ जी।
आपने डे 0 पे बोला था कि हमको अलग अलग एरिया में हमारा जो ड्रीम है वो लिखना है। मैंने करीबन हर एक एरिया में 5-7 ड्रीम मैंने लिखे थे, पर मैं उसको कैटेगराइज नहीं कर रही थी कि मेरे लिए 3 कौन से बड़े ड्रीम है। अब जब आपने विजुअलाइज, इतने दिन से 18 दिन हो गए, मैं फाइनलाइज नहीं कर पा रही थी कि कौन सा है वो। अभी जो विजुअलाइजेशन हुआ ना, इसमें फटाक से मेरे माइंड में 1 बाय 1 तीनों आ गए। अब मैं एकदम क्लियर हो गई कि मेरी प्रायोरिटी कौन से 3 ड्रीम के पीछे लगानी है मुझे। Really, thank you very much.
Thank you. So that's the power of visualization. Pehle day 0 mein we wrote all our dreams. Then we took top 10 dreams on day 13, and now top 3 dreams. So it's always, it's good to visualize 3 dreams for just because the power of visualization increases. 3 dreams ko jab hum choose karte, that's why I took it up in this and took it deeper. So anything you felt, anybody wants to share anything? And how did you feel? Did you feel it's real?
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Yes.
So yes.
I want to share.
Yeah.
One of my biggest dream is related to my son. He has a aspiration, dream or conviction, whatever, that he wants to play in the Indian cricket team. And like when this movie Sachin had released, he had been to watch the movie with his bua. So there, while watching the movie, he said, Mama, when I was watching this movie, I could feel instead of people shouting Sachin, Sachin, I could see everyone shouting Samarth, 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 as if I am on the cricket ground. And same thing happened today when you asked me to visualize, when you asked to visualize one of the dreams. I could see Samarth in that Indian cricket team outfit, and he is going to play, and I could hear people shouting Samarth, Samarth. So that's the power.
Lovely. And you've written this in your dream list also?
Yes.
So tell him also to write. He's attending the sessions, in the evening sessions. Tell him also to write. So then it will be really beautiful. Yeah.
He is saying I and Anirudh, now today we are going to Nani house. So he's like, we will discuss and then we'll write. Shikha's son Anirudh, he's like, we'll discuss and write.
Lovely.
Awesome. इतने क्यूट बच्चे हैं ना वन्ना जी। कल मैं भी थोड़ी देर के लिए आई थी। इतने क्यूट बच्चे हैं यार।
Very cute. You really feel that you're in a different world with them.
हाँ। और बीच में जब विश्वा स्माइल करती है तो मैं फिर देख के आ जाती हूँ कि क्या हुआ है, क्या स्माइल कर रहे हैं ये लोग, इतने
Nice. Awesome.
वन्ना जी, क्या मैं एक दिन के लिए शाम को ज्वाइन हो सकती हूँ?
Sure.
ओके, थैंक
हो
यू।
जाइए.
हाँ,
So today we will be doing Count Your Blessings.
पूरा
ओके।
गार्डन खिला दिया है आपने तो शाम की बैच में, तो इतने इतने छोटे छोटे वो फ्लावर्स हैं ना। बहुत मजा आ रही है।
Yes.
मेरा बेटा तो मुझे आने ही नहीं देता है, बोलता है आप साइड हो जाओ, आप वीडियो में मत आओ। तो मैंने उसको कल बोला मेरी भी मैम है ना, तो मैं उनको हाई तो कर सकती हूँ ना इवनिंग में। नहीं, मेरा क्लास चल रहा है, आप जाओ।
Okay, lovely. So anybody wants to share anything after the visualization while you were doing anything you felt? Anybody else?
It's just so beautiful. So beautiful.
Awesome.
No words.
Yeah.
Ma'am, no words to explain.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you from bottom of our heart.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, did you understand the breath, all of you? Which breath jo tha, rapidly, what you had to breathe, you understood?
हाँ,
Na?
Yeah.
So some of your videos were not on, तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what is happening. Some few people had put their videos on, so I could see them, but some of your videos were not on. So yes.
like we were climbing the mountain, so वो half रहते ऐसे लग रहा था,
हाँ,
जैसे
but
हम
वो
माउंटेन
हाफने
चढ़ते
वाली
हैं,
breath नहीं थी. It was
नहीं
like
थी,
this.
हाँ,
Everybody can see me now.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
It was like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Like a panting breath, is it?
Sorry.
It was not like a panting breath because I did it as though you visualize, no, you climb the mountain.
So did you open your mouth also?
No, no.
no,
Then it's fine. Yeah.
And the beauty of the visualization is that the three important dreams just came out. You didn't have to even think which of which three.
That is what is the
Yes.
beauty. You don't have to think about your dreams. When they come, they are your true dreams.
I mean,
They do,
they just
the
pushed
dreams.
the other ones away.
Sorry.
They just pushed the other ones away.
Okay, okay. So that's really beautiful. Wow.
There was
Wow.
no doubt. There was no doubt. There was no picking, no choosing, no nothing.
Awesome. Awesome.
They just came 1, 2, 3, and then Sochna nahi pada.
But so
Just
they
pop
are
up.
your
Yeah.
true dreams. You don't need to open the book and see that what dream I have written. You know, they are your true dreams. सोते जागते उठते बैठते वो सिर्फ आपके dreams आपके साथ होते हैं, and they just keep on coming to you. So they
Just
are your
one small question, because I do different kinds of meditation. Just
Yeah.
explain. I have to be careful not to open the mouth, right? But just to breathe in and out, in and out.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's important.
Yeah, very important. Because then you're losing on your energies when you're opening your mouth and breathing.
Okay, okay, okay. I've never done a meditation with fast breathing. This is amazing. Usually you slow down.
Yeah, yeah.
But here-
Actually, it was before the meditation, you went into a peak state. So it
Uh-huh.
was not actually, so I would say it was more of a visualization. And then after that, we did, I mean, it was a combination of everything. There were steps to it. So first we actually went into a peak state. Our
Correct.
mind went into that state, and
Correct.
then the mind relaxed, then softened, and then because it was a step to take you deeper into subconscious mind,
Mhm.
to drop the conscious mind and to go into the subconscious mind. The breath did that. So it's all about your experience. You know.
It's amazing. I'm going to
All
try
the
this.
basics that I haven't done like this, and it's something, you know, just it takes you out of that space. So where you were there when you were on top of the mountain peak, were you there?
Yes,
How-
yes.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
No, so can one do this every day? It's okay.
Yes, sure. Why not? Can do it every day before you go to sleep in the night. Very good time to do. Maybe after the magic rock practice, you can do this, or because that's the time when or early in the morning if you're waking up early before the class, or you know, in that Brahma Muhurat, it's really beautiful to do it. Because the entire universe is in that space of silence. Huh? There's silence around, and there are a lot of positive energies. So keeping the window open in an open space also you can do. Very beautiful. Yeah.
Because the beautiful thing that I noticed is most of the meditations, your breathing becomes so slow and you're at peace. Here you
Yes.
increase the breathing and you're still at peace.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
for
the
me, it was
beauty.
a completely different experience.
Yeah.
Completely different. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank
One
you.
thing I would like to ask, like
Yeah.
when you told Manjusha ji about the Ahmedabad situation, so that self-doubt thing, you know,
Yeah.
it's like a self-doubt. So, and which is very normal to every individual. कि कभी कुछ हो गया तो we start doubting ourselves first. So we need to eliminate that self-doubt, is what you meant to say.
Yes.
Eliminate
Yes.
self-doubt and eliminate the doubt on universe.
Yes.
Is it, so we can use the word eliminate if I have to note it down somewhere.
Yes, you can use the word eliminate, but better than that is just be grateful. So you
Yeah.
have to actually rewrite the words in your subconscious mind. We are re-scripting our mind by using the words which are the most appropriate. Okay.
Okay.
So if you
Yeah.
first step
Yeah.
is fine, you've identified, you've understood that yes, you need to use words properly. You have to choose
Yeah.
your words carefully. So eliminate, if you feel this can be a step, then the next step, just be grateful. So
Yeah.
each mind
Yeah.
will accept a different pace. So if you
Yes.
feel that
Okay.
it's, yeah.
All right. And also while the meditation, after the meditation, while the visualization was happening, I could feel vibrations. I could feel my body moving, like I was actually moving during the visualization, which happens to me and which are very strong. Like I have done meditations earlier also.
So moving means your body starts oscillating. Your body starts oscillating.
Little, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. So if that comes in the way of your focus, then I mean, you feel happy with it, right?
I'm fine. I've taken it like it is giving me positivity. I am with it.
Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. So
Yeah.
possible that each one of us have a vibration of our
Yes.
own. So you are
Okay.
tuning in with the vibration of your body.
Okay.
Yeah. The frequency of your body. Yeah. Lovely.
Yes,
lovely.
हीना काकी आपकी बातें हमें बहुत इंस्पायर करती है और आपकी एनर्जी भी हमें बहुत लविंग और केयरिंग लगती है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes, Hina ji, I wanted to tell that you are really energetic, really,
Yes.
really nice, very jovial.
आप भी बच्चे बन जाते हो हमारी क्लास में आके.
Thank you so much for being there.
She has a magical aura around her.
आप कभी हिना जी को मिले तब पता चलेगा कि वो ओरिजिनल क्या है. वो बहुत ही बच्ची, जस्ट लाइक अ किड. शी इज ऑलवेज मतलब हंसती कूदती गाती रमती एक डॉल है.
Wow.
मैंने अभी she returned की I was playing on the hill Garba.
She can do anything anywhere. She can do anything anywhere at any time.
I do not know her, but I can look at her and I feel that she is a very chirpy person. Very nice, very nice. Glad to know you. Thank you.
Yes.
She's really great personality. Really.
I feel so loving energy from her.
Awesome, Hina ji. We all have to become like her, like a child, that inner child. Let that inner child be alive.
I am here due to Hina ji and really want to say thank you so much to Hina ji and thank you to you, Vanna ji. Thank you
so much for taking this up, and thank you, Hina ji, for bringing those people in the evening session. And yesterday her sister from London has also joined. So I'm really so grateful that I told her to speak to me in the afternoons because I wanted to tell her something. उन्होंने phone किया था, so I told her that if you know anyone, any pregnant lady. So she said, yes, my sister is in London. I said, please tell her to join. So she messaged that, and in the evening session she had joined.
वंदना जी, one more thing I have to ask you.
Yes.
एक बच्चा है वो 2 साल का ही है, वो तो नहीं कर सकता अभी, पर क्या मैं उसकी माँ को रेकमेंड कर सकती हूँ कि वो करके अपने बच्चे को अभी से वो संस्कार देने के शुरू करें?
2 साल का है. Is there any issue with the child? He is
No,
normal.
nothing. नॉर्मल, एकदम नॉर्मल है.
हाँ, तो वो माँ को तो ये वाले सेशन में अगर ज्वाइन हो जाते तो बेटर था ना.
हाँ, तो अभी नेक्स्ट होगा तब मैं बोल दूंगी इसका.
हाँ, what is the age of the mom?
30 around.
Of course she can join. Tell her to join.
Okay.
Okay.
In our session या in evening
नहीं,
session?
अभी evening session में. Tell her to join.
Okay.
क्योंकि अभी day 0 कल ही खत्म हुआ है. We've already written our dreams, but again I'm going to take it on Sunday बच्चों के लिए, because बहुत फटाफट किया था and some of them were leaving and उनको late हो रहा था and कोई किसी को खाना खाना था, कोई sleepy थे. So
Okay.
I'm going to again take it, because and for those whose kids are there, please, if you can make sure that they can have their dinner before the sessions, it will be great. Because if they can have an early dinner, then they won't be disturbed. Because ये time ही ऐसा है ना, we are starting at 7:45 and 15 मिनट थोड़ा आगे पीछे तो होता ही है, because if बच्चे लोग का मूड ना, हम लोग कुछ questions पूछने लग जाते हैं. Yesterday actually had muted everyone. मैंने बोला questions last में लेंगे, because उनके बीच बीच में questions इतने आते हैं. So last time I experienced this. वो बीच में ही ma'am and they'll ask questions. So they need to be satisfied. So but some discipline also needs to be followed. So actually मैंने mute कर दिया था सबको कर. So yes, you can tell her to join at 7:30. उनको आप बोल दीजिए मुझे एक मैसेज कर देंगे आज.
Okay.
तो मैं लिंक भेजूंगी तो वो ऐड हो जाएंगी ग्रुप में and she can fill up the form. वो जो हमारी जो मैसेज है ना, जो ग्रुप में आपके पास है ना, वो
लिंक है मेरे पास, मैं शेयर कर दूंगी.
हाँ, वो शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
हाँ, हाँ. मनाली शाह नाम है उनका.
ठीक है. ओके.
और वंदना जी, हाँ, मुझे कहना है कि आर्य ने ज्वाइन किया तो फर्स्ट डे को ये एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा नहीं था, लेकिन कल जब भी वो बाहर आया रूम से और मैंने देखा तो वो स्माइल अजीब ही थी उसकी, और वो बोला कि नहीं वो बहुत अच्छा रहा आज. मैं तो किया और उसने बोला कि तुम मुझे तुम्हारी जर्नल दिखाओ क्या है. मैं तो ओके. तो वो लेट्स डाउन ड्रीम्स करने थे, तो वो टॉपिक्स मैंने दिए और वो इतनी सारे पेजेस कि कैसा लिखती हो. मैं यार तुम भी लिख पाओगे.
Okay. Nice, awesome, lovely.
Thank you, Vanda ji. हाँ.
Thank you all for making this happen. आप लोगों की मेहनत से ही ये सब हुआ है. The evening session, I'm lovely. Lot of people have joined in, and I'm just giving an intent to the universe. और जितने बच्चे, जितने लोग आ सके उसमें आ सकते हैं. जितने pregnant ladies आ सके, that will be the best thing to do for. I mean, that will be the best gift that they can give to the child inside the womb. इतना मतलब वो बच्चे जो बच्चा जो है, I mean that child, when the child will be born with a different emotion, feeling, experience, a different mind and body. Because मैंने देखा है जो प्रीनेटल योगा करते हैं ना, जो मेरे पास जो स्टूडेंट्स है जो प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में भी when they do yoga, जो बच्चे जब वो when they are born, actually recently only it happened, one of the students, she shared the pictures of a baby. वो बच्चा भी कुछ योगा पोजेस, लाइंग डाउन स्टेट में भी अपने पाँव को ऊपर करके ऐसे पीछे कर रहा है, एंड कभी क्रॉस कर रहा है लेग्स को, एंड इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. और जब टर्न भी होते हैं तो देन दे ट्राई टू होल्ड समथिंग एंड दे टर्न. जो पोजेस मदर ने की है उस समय क्लास में, सेशन में, द चाइल्ड एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट. तो वो, and I was so happy to see that small baby, 2 महीने का बच्चा, and he's doing these things, and the mother is sending me, see he's doing yoga. So it's really beautiful. So when जब वो बच्चा, I mean before the child is born, 2 months, 5 months के time में, when you're doing this session, so the child will be, we can imagine how the child will be. And I'm really waiting for such kids to come, and I want to meet those kids.
Wow.
That जब we never had all this knowledge.
I know.
We never had all this knowledge.
Yeah. That's what I tell. 28 साल पहले मिली होती तो.
हाँ, sorry, पहले मिली होती तो.
I know. Even I tell Gurneek, you also blessed. You're getting such knowledge at such small age.
Really beautiful.
Really beautiful. All thanks to you.
Then this one small baby was sitting. इतनी अच्छे से first day he was sitting. Two brothers are sitting. मतलब I think he's 3 or 4 years. एकदम quietly with an erect spine he was sitting throughout on day 0 first day. कल पता नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं है मैंने वीडियो में उसे देखा कि नहीं, बट बच्चे लोग if they really, I mean उनको they are actually in the magical world. उनकी दुनिया उनको लगती है उनकी दुनिया से वो connect हो गए. Yes. Thank you.
Sometimes
Thank
I
you.
feel like, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you, everyone, for
Bye.
being in this wonderful
Thank
session.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.